Hi, my name's Jade DeKinder, and I'm the Associate Dean for the MS programs here at McCombs. When people ask me why an MS in marketing from McCombs, the answer is so easy for me. Not only has the marketing program here been in the top 2 since its inception a few years ago, but it's so much more than a ranking. It's a culture, it's a place for learning and intellectual curiosity. First and foremost, the faculty that teach in the MS marketing program are second to none in the world. These are leading professionals and research track faculty who are world-renowned for the quantitative and qualitative marketing that they teach. In addition to the amazing faculty, we have amazing career support and opportunities for our students. The alumni, the corporate partners, and the city of Austin give amazing opportunities for our students to build the exact career they want in the ever-changing world of marketing. In addition to that, we have amazing students in our program. And our cohort-based model allows you to meet your classmates intellectually, socially, and to build relationships that you'll keep for a lifetime. So many other MS marketing programs put their students in as extras in MBA classes and other classes they already have. By focusing on a cohort-based model, our students are with each other from class to class, and so no professor has to go back and catch you up. We make sure that the professors talk to each other and you never miss a beat as you move from semester to semester. In addition, you get to live in the city of Austin. It's a thriving economy with people moving here every single day, companies moving here, intellectually curious people moving here, and a thriving music and art scene.